Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to find cube of a two-digit number. Now let us take 12 cube. Now it contains two digits, so the result will contain four digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, take the cube of the first digit. 1 cube is 1. Now take the cube of the second digit. 2 cube, that is 8. So put it here. Now the second place, square this first digit and multiply it with 2. 1 square into 2, that is 2. For the third place, first digit into square of the second digit. So square of the second digit is 4. 4 into 1, 4. Now you simply double these middle two numbers. So double of 2 is 4, double of 4 is 8. Now add 8, 8 plus 4, 12, balance 1, this is 7, 1. So 12 cube is 1728. Now consider the second number, say 24 cube. 24 cube, first digit is 2, so 2 cube is 8, and 4 cube is 64. Now to write the middle numbers, this is nothing but a square b, square of the first digit into second digit. So 2 square 4, 4 into 4, 16. Now this is 4 square into 2, 4 square 16 into 2, 32. Now double this, you get 32, double this, you get 64. Now add. Now this is 64, we have only one digit here. The 6 is carry here. Now add this. So adding this, you will get 102. So 2, 10 is carry. Now adding 32, 42, 52, 58. So 8, carry 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 24 cube is nothing but 13,824. In a simple way you can do this. Similarly, if you consider this 32 cube, first 3 cube is 27. The second place is nothing but 3 square into 2 becomes 18. And third place is nothing but 3 into 2 square, that is 12. And last is 2 cube, that is 8. Now double this, 36, double this, 24. Now add, this is 8. Now adding 24 and 12, you get 36. So 6, 3 is carry. Now adding these 3, 36 plus 18, 54 plus 3, 57. So put 7, 5 is carry. 27 plus 5 will give you 32. So 32 cube is nothing but 32,768. Now let us consider 25 cube. 25 cube. So 2 cube is 8. 2 square into 5, 20. 2 into 5 square, 50. and 5 cube is 125. Now double this. This is 40. This is 100. Now add. Since we have only one digit here, the remaining 12 is a carry. Now this is 100, 50, again 12, so 162. So one digit is allowed, so 2, 16 is carry. 40 plus 20, 60 plus 16, 76. We have only 6 and the 7 is carry. Now 8 plus 7 becomes 15. Therefore 25 cube is nothing but 15,625. Now when the two digits are same, what to do? The same procedure is followed. So 2 cube is 8. Again 2 square into 2 is 8. 2 into 2 square is 8. 2 cube is 8. When you have same digits here also you have the same digits. Now double this, get 16. This is also 16. Now add. This is 8. 16 plus 8, 24. So 4 carry 2. And this is 16 plus 10, 26. 6 carry 2. So 8 plus 2, 10. Therefore 22 cube is nothing but 10,648. And now let us take the last example, say 52 cube. 52 cube. To get 5 cube, first place we have 125. In the second place, 5 square into 2 becomes 50. And 5 into 2 square, that is nothing but 20. 2 cube is 8. Now double this, you get 100, and double this, you get 40. Now add 8. This is 60. So we have 0, carry is 6. Now adding this, you get 156. So just put 6. Carry is 15. Now if you add these two, you get 140. So 52 cube is nothing but 1,40,608. If you practice a lot, you may find that this method will be very simple and easy. If you like this video, share, support us and subscribe. Thank you.